Welcome to my 500th video and episode 100 of the house build project. Okay, right now I am using the cell phone to take a peek at what I cannot see under the floor there. It's kind of a periscope. So there's 1.5 inch ABS vent pipe, some fan duct, asbestos wrapped heat pipe, and a piece of galvanized pipe. So now I know what's under there. Then I have to reach in here because I can't see. I dropped a tool, little screwdriver tip, and there it is right there. And there were a couple of other things under the dirt there, so kind of a handy trick. And then that is the top of the 4-inch main, and we're going to be putting a 4-inch to 3-inch adapter on top of that. You'll see that in the next video.
We got the beam installed today. That worked out real nice. Got a couple of studs holding it up here. So you can see we have everything is hangered off here. And over here we have that DTTZ connector that will hold this beam to the other beam. But yeah, very nice. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to route plumbing from the toilet there and through the beam here and connect that 1.5-inch drain into it. So tomorrow is going to be kind of a brain teaser to get things done. It has to go across, over, and down.
Okay, I am relocating that bathroom drain, 1.5-inch ABS pipe. I drilled holes through all the joists, and you can see that they are in a perfect line, a 1/4 of an inch per foot slope. You'll see the pipe in them in the clip coming up right now.
Okay, so we are rerouting the plumbing here for the upstairs bathroom sink. It was coming over here and across and down the wall that used to be there. Now what it's going to do is it goes across, and you can just kind of see the slope on it. I don't know if it shows up on camera. And then here is the new waste arm for the toilet. That is a long 3-inch 90-degree elbow. And it comes in through the beam there, and it will pick up a vent from the roof straight up there. And there is the drain for the bathroom sink upstairs. And then that is going to come straight across here. And then it's going to go through the joist, and the tub drain will go into a vent coming down and into the lavatory or the bathroom sink drain. And so I'm not sure exactly how that's going to work out yet. I might turn the drain for the tub around and pick up the 1.5-inch drain here, and when the tub goes into it, we'll upsize it to 2-inch, and it will come down the wall here, and straight down from there is where the main stack out is. So we're going to have the floors torn up tomorrow, and we've got the 3-inch is going to come, it's going to pick up the vent, go across, and we have to notch out the wall, and then the wall house gets built out 3 inches with double flat 2x studs. And so then it'll continue down, over, and to the 3-inch adapter on a 4-inch main stack. And then we also need to run a vent from above the tub level down the wall, and that will pick up the vent for the new kitchen island sink vent and drain. So that takes care of the upstairs. Then I'll show you what we have going on the downstairs. And then again, you can see the new beam there. And it's not so heavy, but it is definitely a solid piece of wood. Okay, let's go downstairs and I will show you what we have going on there. Let me make sure all the stuff is off. Okay. Okay, over on this side, okay, we are going to connect into the hot there and the cold, and we're going to route them over here and through the wall there. So Mitch is already on this one here. That's a it was supposed to be 3/4 inch. Okay, anyway. So we had to tear down the ceiling to get to that because they wanted to do something different in the kitchen. And that necessitated changing all the plumbing that was in that support wall. He pulled out the support wall and put in a beam and then reroute all the plumbing and wiring that was in there. So we're still midway on it, and we'll be getting into it again tomorrow. Okay, I am done for the day, so I'm going to get going, and I will see you on the next video. So as you can see, the parking area is looking great. And there's the truck there. All the paver stones. We have done a lot of work to this place.